Now in question number 7, we are given that f0x is x, and for x greater than 0, we have defined this function inductively by fn plus 1 x equals x to the power fnx. So we have f1x as x to the power x, f2x as x to the power x to the power x, and f1 and f-10, it is 1. Now this first one is as x tends to 0 positive, f1x tends to 1. So we have to find this limit x tends to 0 positive, f1x, and f1x is x to the power x. So it will be this limit x tends to 0 positive, x to the power x, which is 0 to the power 0 form. Now we can write this as e to the power, this limit x tends to 0 positive, x log x, or this is e to the power limit x tends to 0 positive, log x upon 1 by x, which is infinity upon infinity form. Now this is e to the power limit x tends to 0 positive. Using L'Hopital's rule, we'll have 1 by x and minus 1 upon x square, which is e to the power 0, and that is 1. That means statement 25 is correct. Now we look at this limit for 26, which is limit x tends to 0 positive, x to the power x. Now we can write this as this limit x tends to 0 positive, x to the power x. Now we know that this limit x tends to 0, x to the power x, it is 1. So it will be this value 0 to the power 1, and 0 to the power 1 is 0. That means statement 26 is incorrect. Now this 27th is this integral from 0 to 1 f3x dx, which is this integral from 0 to 1. Now f3x is x to the power x dx. Now if you look at this function f3x, it is x to the power x. X lies between 0 and 1. Now here x to the power x will always be less than or equal to 1. Now if we take this integral from 0 to 1, x to the power x dx, it will be less than this integral from 0 to 1 dx, as this function is not a constant function. Now this is 1. So value of this integral is always less than 1 and not equal to 1. That means this statement 27 is also incorrect. Now this 28 is derivative of f123 at x equals 1. Now here we are given that fn plus 1 x equals x to the power fnx. So basically yn plus 1, it is equal to x to the power yn, and if we take log and differentiate, we can write this as log y n plus 1, it is yn log x. Now it will be 1 upon yn plus 1 into yn plus 1 dash, it will be yn log x is 1 by x plus y dash n into log x. So basically derivative of f123 at 1, it will be f123 at 1 into f122 at 1 into 1 plus f dash 1221, and log 1 is 0. Now any fn plus 1 x is 1 to the power 1 to the power 1 to the power 1. So this value will always be 1. So value of f1231 is 1 and f1221 is also 1. So value of this derivative will be 1. That means this statement 28 is correct. So the correct statements are 25 and 28.